everyone, I am back, and in today's episode, I am going to create some Valentine arrangements for you. Valentine's Day, even though as a retail florist for me, has been one of those holidays that like we are pumping out all these beautiful arrangements. I do like making, today what I'm gonna do really is show you things that you can do at home yourself if you don't wanna go out to the florist and buy those arrangements. But it's a couple things, if you're crafty yourself, you can do it. If not, you can take the edited versions of it and do it yourself. I happen to, we see all these beautiful arrangements, but in order to get a heart shape arrangement going, I decided to buy a chocolate box and use this as a container. I'm gonna remove all of this. As you can see, I already opened these and had a couple of them already because I am a big pig. I am gonna take a cellophane. Now I'm gonna cut it really, really tight. Now I'm gonna take my carnations. I bought bright red ones, and I use this for another video. And I'm gonna cut it really, really tight. Like almost, and I'm gonna insert, and I'm gonna start by giving the shape first, and then I'm gonna work my way in. And I'm not gonna do it super, super tight. I'm gonna leave some gaps in between because I'm gonna use other flowers in between it. I don't want it to be all monochromatic, one type of flower, because it'll get boring. And I want a little bit layer and depth. And now I'm gonna go back and I'm going to use the different carnations that I have. See, these have like a little, I can open them up for a little bit if I want to. I want to keep some of the buds because I think they add character. You know, the different variations of the growing or blooming stage. One's kind of a burgundy and one's kind of a magenta color. And as you can see, I'm kind of even going on top of the red carnation, kind of sort of breaking the other look. Okay, look at this. Look at this. Who wouldn't want to receive this? You can actually flip this around if you would like and use this as the bottom base and add it like this and send it out. I mean, look at this. Amazing, right? Which girlfriend or loved one wouldn't love receiving this? So let's start on the next one. And then I'm gonna do what I call Tree of Hearts. And this is really simple. I've taken a manzanita branch. I've added some foam into the box and added some fresh floral foam on top, but I lined it so that way I don't have any trouble. I'm gonna take my carnations, what I have left of, and tightly put it around the perimeter of this container. I'm gonna keep on doing this. As you can see, I'm doing it as tight as I can because I'm gonna use less flowers. So the taller I get into the container, the more flowers I'm gonna be able to, I have to cover more surface space. Now, if I need to go back and do a couple more here and there, I can certainly do it, but let's pretend this is finished, yeah? And I'm going to take these hearts that already have strings on them, like little hoops. And I'm gonna just hang. You know, there's two sizes, big and small. This is so cute. I was like, these are cheesy. I'm like, but I can make something beautiful out of this. There you go. I don't have to use all of it, but since I have it, I might as well use it visually. Okay, so I'm finally done with this. Let me put this aside and look how gorgeous this came out too. The tree of hearts, you can pair this together or you could actually, you know, what can I say? Do it separately? Here, let me put this aside and I'm going to start. I love conversation hearts. I like the way they look. I like the novelty of it, the nostalgia of it. So I'm gonna do an arrangement using conversation pieces. I must have one. I don't know which one's my favorite actually. They're all good. I've already taken the lomi dish and the floral foam by doing the carnations. Basically, it's the same concept. I've done the concept like this using the gumballs in a previous YouTube video, and I got a lot of comments, people liking how clever that was. I thought I was going to use less flowers, but apparently sometimes I miscalculate things, or I like to do abundance of things, so I like things to be abundant, life to be abundant, love to be abundant. The only thing I don't like abundant is hatred and jealousy. I'm being a pig and eating candy as I'm making this because I had only lunch today and that was like a few minutes. But apparently we can't find any Sweet William. But I found one and I tucked it in. Use it tight. And you see that I can use it in a couple of different, like I can cut some of it 2 pieces and get 2 pieces out of that. This is nice, it's coming out beautiful. You can tuck, this is good that it has all this greenery. You can tuck it and then flip it underneath and it fills the holes. And then I'm gonna show you something really quickly that I think, and you know what, where's that cotton candy that I bought? That colorful cotton candy. Oh, that's so cute. You know, I'm like the pickiest, I'm the pickiest critic on my own self. Let me clean this out. I'm gonna dump this here, which it would have been easier as a dummy, right? If I did it the other way. I don't need the caps to these. I'm gonna take the cotton candy, and this is really colorful, right? So I'm gonna open it up and I'm gonna kind of sort of fluff it. It's like mounds of like yumminess right here. I love cotton candy as a small, you know, as a young child. My parents took me to the circus and all these great, like visually great places. And you know, when you're young and you travel and you get to see all these wonderful new experiences. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take some carbonization hearts. I'm gonna top it off like it was a sundae with a chocolate syrup or a cherry on top. And I'm gonna do this with the other one too. I'm opening it up so it's a little bit more lighter and fluffier. Look, magically appeared. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of the rest of the conversation pieces that I didn't finish. No, I'm kidding. This. And then this tree of hearts, and I'm gonna put it here. And look, guys, Look how fun and amazing how we tied the conversation piece with the cotton candy on top. Something simple that you can do. You can actually put that on top of like signature cocktails that you make at home just for your sweet one. So there's a lot of fun, creative stuff going on here. You know, we took the chocolate box, we made it into our heart shape arrangement, conversation pieces, took the carnations and we took the plastic hearts into different sizes and hung it on a manzanita tree, and this is the tree of hearts. Again, guys, thank you so much. I know I'm a little tired. I've been doing so many episodes today, so bear with me. You will see all my social feeds. Please make a comment, follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel, make some comments, and bless you. Anyways, obviously we have a couple people, it's winter and they're sick. Anyways, I want to thank you for joining me again on this episode, and I look forward to seeing you guys again soon. Peace out.